Thanks for watching and welcome to the episode. I'm Tim James and that is a big pile of coal. I've always wondered how coal was made, or charcoal was made, and in this episode we're going to find out. But first, intro. We do most of our cooking on a 4-burner gas stove in our kitchen, but occasionally we like to use coal. We've been buying it by the bag, but Jude and Rudy have said that they're going to make some coal for us because the monsoon's blown down a section of our fence out the back here. So they're collecting the wood and they're going to build a pit and make charcoal. So I'm really curious as to exactly how they're going to do this. Let's check it out. So you can see what they've done here. They've lined up some breeze blocks or Besa blocks to make an edge for the fire. Now they're stacking the wood in there. They're going to set fire to it and cover it in sand and let it slow burn, and that will produce the coal that we need for all of our cooking fires. Pretty cool. Okay, so here we go. Rudy's added another layer of perimeter or edge to the fire. He's then put a whole lot of grass on top and then soil on top of that, and now he's lighting it. So now it's going to slow burn through the night, and tomorrow we'll have lots and lots of coal for everybody around here to use in their cooking fires. Pretty cool. Going well. It's been going for about 3 hours now, and you can see the top starting to collapse down. There's been a couple of times where Rudy's had to put some more wet grass and dirt on top just to keep everything contained, I guess. But it looks really cool, and yeah, we'll pick it up tomorrow when we lift it all up and have a look inside and see what we've got. And 24 hours later, everything's burnt down, and Rudy's going to start unearthing the charcoal, and we'll see what we've got. So you can really see the layers now. The dirt on the top, then the grass, and now we've got charcoal underneath where the wood was. It's still really hot. Rudy's trying to stop it from burning anymore by pouring water on it, spot pouring water on the bits that are still burning. And slowly, bit by bit, we're unearthing all of the coal. And that brings us full circle right back to where we started the whole video, and now you know how charcoal is made. Rudy's just putting out the little bits that are still on fire, and we're going to gather it all up and put it in bags, and then we'll have cooking charcoal for our fires whenever we want it. Pretty cool. If you've enjoyed this episode, please click on the like button, and as always, hitting subscribe will help you find future videos that I post, and it'll help me out too. Till next time, thank you very much. Bye.